Welcome back to your next flipped classroom lesson. This lesson is called Divide by 7. The essential question is, what strategies can we use to divide by 7? This is a tougher one, but we can do it. Let's unlock the problem together. Let's look at our problem. Erin used 28 large apples to make 7 apple pies. She used the same number of apples for each pie. How many apples did Erin use for each pie? So the question is asking us how many apples she used for each pie. The important information is that she used 28 large apples and she made 7 pies. Let's put that away. Okay, first we can make an array. We're going to place one tile in each of 7 rows because we know that she used 7 apples in each pie. Okay, there we have 7 rows. But we're going to continue placing one tile in each of the 7 rows until we've used 28 tiles. Count the number of tiles in each row. First, we need to make sure that we are placing these tiles in the 7 rows and that we are counting correctly to 28. Alright, well, while the music was playing, I counted my tiles as I placed them in each of these 7 rows. And I counted 7 all the way up to 28 to make sure that I used all 28 counters because she had 28 apples that she used. And when I ended up using all 28 apples or 28 tiles in these 7 rows, I found that there are 4 tiles in each row. So, Erin used 4 apples for each pie. We can write 28 divided by 7 equals 4, or we can put the 28 in the den, the dividend in the den, with the 7 on the outside and the quotient or the 4 on top. Good job, guys. Alright, let's look at some other ways that we can solve this problem. We can use related multiplication facts. We are looking at 28 divided by 7 equals an unknown number. So we can think 7 times what number equals 28? What number completes this multiplication fact? Well, if I know my multiplication facts, I would know that 7 times 4 equals 28. And so if 7 times 4 equals 28, then 28 divided by 7 has to equal 4. And there are the 2 ways that we can write or record that division problem. Okay, other ways. We could make equal groups in order to find 28 divided by 7. So here we use counters. So we're going to draw 7 circles to show 7 groups. All right, there's our 7 circles. And now we're going to place 1 counter in each group to show equal groups until we get to 28. Would you like to enjoy some music again? All right, sit back and watch. Watch me do the work and you enjoy this music. I'll be back in a moment. All right, I'm back. Whew, that took forever it seems like, but that's okay. All right, so we made our 7 groups and I placed 1 counter in each group, keeping them equal groups, and I counted up to 28 and we used all 28 counters. There are 4 counters in each group, so 28 divided by 7 again equals 4. All right, boys and girls, those are all the different strategies that we can use to solve division by 7. And I'm going to let you go on today and do your journal, and I will see you in the morning at school. Bye, guys.